Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the PS5 recently played games not showing on profile, PSN game activity not updating. The fix one, verify and reset your privacy setting. Open the settings from the PS5 home screen, go to user and account, then click on privacy. Now select view and customize your privacy setting. Under your activity, locate who can see your gaming history. Change it to no one, save the settings, then change it back to anyone or friendly only. Then return to your activity and select hide your games from other player and make sure the missing games are not checked in the hidden game list. Fix 2. Review your data sharing setting. If PlayStation is not collecting gameplay activity correctly, your profile history may not update as expected. Open the settings, then navigate to user and account privacy. Now open data you provide and if available select full instead of limit and restart your PS5 and check whether your recently played list update. Fix 3. Launch the game from your game library. From the PS5 home screen, scroll to the far right and open game library. Then select your collection and locate the game that is not appearing on your profile. Now launch the game while connected to the internet, play for several minutes, then close the game normally. Wait a few minutes and check for your PlayStation profile set again. Fix 4. Restore your game licenses. So go to the setting, then select user and account, choose other and select restore licenses. Confirm the prompt and wait for the process to complete. Now restart your PS5 after the restoration finish. Fix 5. Check PlayStation network status. If no one if none of the above steps work, the issue may be caused by a PlayStation. So network server problem rather than your console. So visit the official PlayStation network status page. Check whether game and social services are reporting any outage or maintenance. If an outage is listed, wait until the Sony resolve the issue before troubleshooting further. Recent reports have shown that profile activity and the recent played section can temporarily disappear due to server side issue. Goodbye and thanks for watching.